Need to switch carriers and keep your Tracfone number? You'll need your transfer PIN, also called the port out PIN. This is a security code that prevents unauthorized number transfers. As of October 2025, getting this PIN is straightforward. Tracfone provides a few easy methods to obtain your PIN. This PIN is a one-time password, which expires after 30 days. Be aware that it is different from your top-up PIN. Let's cover the ways you can get your transfer PIN. Tracfone offers 3 primary methods to get your transfer PIN. The easiest way is through the Tracfone app. Log in, navigate to Account, then Port My Number, and follow the 2-factor authentication. Second, you can text Get PIN to 611-611 from your Tracfone. You'll receive a link to reset your PIN. Finally, you can call 1-800-867-7183, select Account Services, and verify your identity with an agent who will provide the PIN. If you forget your PIN, use any of these methods to reset it. Note that PIN resets are limited to once per 24 hours for security, and you'll need your phone number active. Always keep your PIN secure to prevent fraud.